Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA TR7520 printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Canon PIXMA TR7520 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be from a Canon domain here. This says Canon support for PIXMA TR7520. Go ahead and open that up. And now they're on this support page here. Scroll down underneath downloads and expand the software and driver section. And then going underneath software and driver results, you want to scroll down and locate the item in here that says load more. And you are going to want to go down and locate the item in here that says print driver and scan utility installer. Select download. And then once that is installed or downloaded to your computer, go ahead and run it. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. You can close out of the web browser too. And then select next. Select your place of residence, agree to the license terms, and then let this install. And then either connect your printer via a LAN connection or USB, whatever your preference may be, and then select next, and then just follow along with the on-screen prompts here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.